Okay. So you can do this on a free account. You can do your entire little website in Canva on a completely free account. And but I always like to do a paid account because you can put your actual branding colors and everything in there, and it just makes things a lot more. It just makes things a lot easier um, to use Canva. I mean, you can still do free, you can still do all that, but if you're going to be using it for a lot of your social media, it's not that expensive. I just upgraded to the year plan, and I think it was only like 119 for the whole year. It's totally worth it. I mean, it is a business expense. Anyway, all right. So, Sarah, can you get into your Canva and share your screen?
Sure. Just the
All
main
right.
screen of my screen or my Canva.
So we're just going to go to your Canva and go right to your screen.
You see it?
All right. Yep, I
Okay.
certainly can. All right. So the first thing you want to do is just where it says, what will you design today? Just go to website. And it's going to bring up all these templates. And so you just kind of have to go through and see the look of it. Obviously, you're going to change, everything to your brand, but you just kind of want to see the overall look. And if you hover over some of these, you can see some of the pages that they have usually. Yeah, that one looks nice.
You want me to go into that one?
Yeah, so go ahead and click on that.
And that one says pro. So yeah.
So some of them do say pro and some of them do say free, but you can still design a website in the free. So customize. It's going to bring you over to the design area. I know Sarah knows a lot about how to do this anyway. Um, so the first thing that I like to do is just kind of go in and look and say, okay, so what do I want to change about this? Now you're going to probably, do you have your brand uh in here, your brand colors and
Yeah.
fonts? Okay.
Yeah.
So
I like
let's
the
go.
I like the pink and the blacks. So
Okay. So let's go up to where it says, see, it says templates, layouts, and styles. Go to styles, and that's going to bring your brand kit up. Okay. So if you click on your brand, on your color palette, you can click on that, and it's going to give you several options of the colors that you can use. You just got to see what you like.
is it just doing it on this slide or does it do it for the
Yes, but what you want to do is pick out what you like, the kind of the overall look, and then you can click on apply to all pages because then it'll do that. So just do the overall colors that you like.
okay?
All right. So see all the way down where it says apply to all pages on the, yep, right there. So go ahead and click on that and scroll down and see if you like the way it looks. All right. It's pretty cool. Okay, so come on back up, and then what you're going to do is click on where it says Samira. Yeah, click on that, and then go over to brand fonts. Do you have your fonts in there?
I have some. They're not my favorite, but yes, I do.
Okay, so you click on that and then apply to all pages because you really want to keep the fonts very cohesive. You don't want to change them for every page. It just gets really confusing. All right, so now we can start changing some of the words in here. So on the front page, are you going to use your name as your
Yeah.
brand? Okay. And you can pull those out so it fits in there. I kind of like the size of the font. It looks pretty good. Might maybe make it a tad bit smaller. Now, what you don't want to do, you see, when you move that over, you want to make sure that that box, go ahead and move the, yeah, that there's some pink lines that show up. Move the box back and forth for a minute if you can, so I can show. Okay, now pull it over to the right. You see that box that comes up and around? That shows you where you should have your uh, font or your font boxes within. Otherwise, what can happen is this can happen when it's published, and you don't want to have to go back and resize everything later. So Canva does a really good job of telling you what your boundaries are. And then you got a picture you can grab to put in right there. And what's great about Canva is see where it says uploads? You can upload anything from the computer, um, any kind of images in here so that you can use them over and over again. But I love that one. That's cool. And where it says professional model and part-time photographer, um, what are you going to call yourself? We talked a little bit about this the other day, right?
I know, I
Okay.
don't remember the exact words, but I'll put digital marketer for right now.
Okay.
Marketing manager.
There you go.
Okay.
And I don't know, you don't have to put anything right there if you don't want to. There we go. All right.
Okay.
Okay. And then up on the top, all the way on the top, go up. See where it says 20. Yeah, I would take that out.
Okay.
Go ahead. You can just go, yeah. All right. So there's your first page. Now scroll down to your next page. Um, you can do more about me. I probably would do this instead of saying more about me, say something like what you do. So you could title it about my services or services, something like that. Because even though even though this website is about you and you are branding yourself, you want people to want to read on. And sometimes if it's just all about you, it might not be as appealing. So it's always that you guys have heard the uh, phrase with them, right? With them, what's in it for me?
Oh, yeah.
And you want people to, so you're a digital
Oh,
marketing
come
expert.
on.
So what do you have that is going to actually entice somebody to want to do business with you? So you can say, and this is where Chat GPT comes in handy sometimes because you can ask Chat GPT to, and I've asked Chat GPT this before, um, create a bio about my services that will give people FOMO. And then these are my services. And Chat GPT will come up with some wonderful words and make you look amazing.
Does that mean that that line there that
Yeah, well, what it's doing is it's centering it. So underneath
okay.
services, see, okay, so there's the solid line, which means you don't want to go out of that. But if you pull it over a little bit, um, those dotted lines are more like centering it.
Okay.
All right.
So
Yeah,
like
you can always,
list those out or something.
yeah, I would
Okay.
expand on those, get ChatGPT to help you. All right, so go
Okay.
ahead and I would uh change your picture over there. Probably what you could do is you wouldn't have to do another picture of yourself, but you could pick a picture of like perhaps a computer,
Computer.
or some kind of office type of, or yeah, or you doing something on the computer. Um,
That's probably not the best one, but there's one. Oh wait, here's
yeah,
one.
so if you go to photos, what's great about photos, if you go down to photos, on the left-hand side all the way there, yep, and go up to search photos, I will sometimes type in computer or office. Computer's good because they're always going to show you. Yep. And then you can pick out a woman's hands or a woman computer. That's cute. Um, yeah. And then some of my work. So, um, let's see, for some of my work,
Just
what do
maybe
you guys
be
think?
for me. Well, I guess that's
Because
services
yeah,
there.
yeah, you've already done services. You could put
Mhm.
maybe testimonials here instead of some of my work. You could put testimonials for people that you've done work with, and that would be great if you had a couple of testimonials. Um, it's I testimonials. There. So, do you have anybody you can grab there?
I don't, but I can grab some pictures of something here. I have tons of pictures, sorry. Oh, well, I'll just
Oh,
do
that's
this.
great. Aw.
No, do this one. I'll remember to go back and do those.
Okay, yeah. And then you just maybe make those a little bit smaller so that you can get some, really good words. Uh, and their
Pictures.
testimonials. Yeah, make the pictures a little bit smaller, move them to wherever. This is what's great about Canva. Now, if you guys don't know, it's super easy to drag and drop with Canva. And it took me a while to figure out, the little idiosyncrasies of it, but the more you work with it, the easier it gets. I literally had somebody that I started with that had never worked with it at all. And within the first 2 weeks, she was making all of her own graphics. She was doing a great job. So it's certainly a matter of just going in and working with it a little bit. But I love how easy it makes it for you because you see all those little dotted lines. It's showing you how to center everything. Yeah, move it around a little bit. See, isn't that great? I mean, it's amazing. It really is. So let's go down to number 4. Um, do you have any type of freebie or lead magnet?
I do not for this, but I have one in here. Sorry, I'm not very organized here in
That's
Canva,
okay.
but there's one.
That's okay. Perfect. So do you have the link to it?
I can get yeah, I have one. I don't know if it's ready yet, but yeah, I do. Hold on. You're seeing all my stuff that I need to talk to you about.
That's
Let's
okay.
see.
So, so yeah, all you need is the link. You can actually even make a link in Google in your Google Drive for it. You just need a link for,
Just grab one, you think?
yeah, just
Mm,
grab, yeah, whatever link that is to you want to be able to, yeah, you want to be able to check it and make sure that it works before you publish your website.
okay.
I have a
Yes,
I have
yes.
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, you're echoing a little bit, but
Yeah, I don't know why that is.
okay.
So where does, when you do the lead magnet, if you do it in the Google Drive, if you do a lead magnet in Google or your link in Google Drive, you can have it go into a Google Doc, right? You can capture the email in a Google Doc. Is that correct? How do you
Um,
capture the email, I guess is what my question is.
so I would a lot of my freebies already have a landing page that go directly to which she has right here because her landing page is in Go High Level, I believe,
Yes.
or Social Connector, yeah. So Go High Level. And so she already has her landing page will go. In fact, can you open that window, open a new window, Sarah, and show her your lead magnet, put it in the browser bar and show her what that looks like?
Yeah, I just grabbed one. I can't find the exact one, but I'll just remember. But this is one of
Okay.
mine.
Okay. So when you go, this is the link that you could make in your Google Drive that would take you directly uh to your
The
capture
lead
page.
magnet.
So it
Oh, no.
captures, yeah, it captures the name and email address first, and then go ahead and can you go ahead and show her what that looks like when you fill that out, Sarah?
Oh, just fill it out. Yeah.
Yeah, just fill it out. And then see where it says email me the download.
Uh-huh.
She's going to click on that and it will. No, Social Connector is actually a white it it's a it's the company that white labeled Go High Level. Her actual system is Go High Level.
Okay, so if I don't have that particular system, if I create a
Have an
link,
email autoresponder like Aweber or that what is that monkey one called?
MailChimp,
MailChimp.
okay, so it has to be an
Well,
email, it has to be linked to an email.
your freebie
Yes,
does
has to be linked to
to
capture
capture
the,
to capture the email
has to be linked to your email um
autoresponder like
autoresponder. Okay,
MailChimp or Aweber or
okay.
um,
But you could do it with Google
Slido.
too, no? You could make up a form with Google, couldn't you?
You can make up a form, but your form's not your lead magnet.
Well, the form would be where they fill out their email, and then uh, when they click it, could it go to the lead magnet? I'm trying to figure out how to do it without expending anything.
Well, you can get a free account in Aweber.
Okay.
It's completely free.
Somebody
And,
told me about Mail Alite, which I was trying to set up. I don't know if you know that about that one.
hmm, I do know about that, but I did a whole training on how to build a landing page in my group with Aweber and a free account. You can do it
Okay.
completely free, and you can have one list for free. That's what I would get started with because trying to do it through Google, the problem is that you can't really send out emails through a Gmail account because they will be marked as spam. So
Okay.
you need to have some type of like autoresponder or official
Okay.
um, email.
And I do have System IO, so I guess Kim just said I could use that.
You can use System IO. Yes, you can.
Okay.
And that's
But
a you can
the
use that
free
for free.
account, can you? In the
Um,
system? Does it do
yeah,
emails on the free account? Okay.
I
That's okay.
think
I have a
it
paid
does.
account.
Oh, you have a paid account? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're fine
Oh,
there
okay.
then. Yeah. So System
This is
IO
like
would be
System IO. Yeah.
it would be great to do that with. Okay. So now let's go
Thank you.
back to your website and let's make a button. Because what you're gonna do is make a little button that shows people that they can click here to get your freebie. So go to Elements and type in button. And then where it says see all, you can click on that and just kind of look and see what button. I think you can change the color on a lot of these. So if you picked that one that was purple up there, right there, yeah, I'm pretty sure that you can drag that over, make it smaller. Yeah, look at all the colors that you can change it to. So you can go ahead and click on one of the colors. And it will bring you over here and it'll show you what the document colors are and then what your colors are. So you can click through and change all those colors to your colors. That's a pretty cool little button. It's almost like shiny, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can go over to where the text box is, text, and click on maybe subtitle. And then type in click here. And you can resize that. You see what she's doing? She's resizing it. She went up to the top. And can you show them that again? And hit the back button to resize it. And then if you wanted to make it a little animated, what you could do is go back to Elements and click on arrow. I mean, type in arrow where it says button. And you see some of these are stickers. So there you go. There's one right there. You can make it a little smaller. That one, though, you can't really change the color. So I don't know if I'd pick that one because it's a different color. Some of these you can change the color, which I love. Oh, there's one. Yeah, that one.
Can you change that one?
Well, it doesn't look like you can. It's a
No,
bummer.
no.
Take care, they'll be playing soon.
Yeah, that one's. Let's see. What about
I thought graphics you could change, but it doesn't look like it.
some of them? Yeah, some of them already have their own little thing. Now this one,
That one,
yeah, see if you can change that white one right there. Let's just go ahead and click on it.
this one.
Yeah, go ahead and click on it and go up to the lines, the black lines right there. See if it gives you an option. Wait, no, it does not. Oh, it's a bummer.
Oh, that's around it.
Yeah. Yep, some of them just don't work that way. So
This one?
go back up to, well, that one, no. Go back up to arrow, and then right after arrow, put arrow stickers. Put stickers. So see if it'll give you um some more options here. Yeah, see some of these you ought to be able to change. Are you kidding me?
What is wrong?
I know. What about the
Which one?
pink one? It's there.
This
Right
one?
there. Yeah.
There.
Yeah. That's one that you can change. See when those little boxes come up, you can change the colors. So then, yeah, I'll make it smaller. And that's kind of fun because then it kind of gives people, oh, click here. All right. So it makes it the focal point. And then right underneath where it says shoot concept, you could say Canva crash course and what it's about.
How did you get that arrow to go a little bit diagonally, Sarah?
Or you can
I
click on
just
it.
did, yeah.
Oh, just to move the
Yeah,
thing. Okay.
there's like a little round circle that has the arrows in it. See that right there? And you just kind of move it around. This is great. This looks good. Your little booklet here where it says Canva crash course. All right.
Should I
So
leave these up here? That's not, would you recommend taking the
I,
numbers away?
you can, but let's do that at the last part.
Okay.
We'll just do this for now because I just want to make sure that all the navigation goes where it's supposed to. So, well, as we get down, is there more that you want to put in here? Anything about pricing or how to get a hold of you
Oh, yeah,
or
pricing, yeah.
something like that?
Yeah, that would probably be one. This one's just more of this page, right?
Yeah,
I
and
think.
you can always delete a page too if you don't want
Okay.
to go that route. And
Okay. And then,
so is there any questions on how to, do you guys see kind of how pretty intuitive this is? It's pretty easy. It already has, I love the templates because they already have the boxes for you to work out of. You don't have to change very much stuff. And it's just super user friendly. And see how she's just moving those around? It shows you exactly what you're grabbing. Every once in a while, and you can show them this, every once in a while, if you are working with it, you won't be able to click and move something. So what you need to do is click off of the boxes completely or click out of the area completely and then go back in and click on the box. Can you show them what I mean by that, Sarah?
what do you mean? I don't know if I know.
Yeah. So sometimes when you're working out of something and then you go to move it, like you go to move it and it won't move because you've, clicked on there like that. What you can do is just click out of that box completely so it goes away and then click back in and now it'll move. Because that gets frustrating when you're first starting. You're like, how come this isn't working?
Or check, I've noticed too, like sometimes I learned this the hard way. It's locked.
Yeah.
So it has a lock sign and all you have to do is unlock it. Right?
And so those three dots have some magical stuff in them. When you click on a design area, those three dots, show them where those are next to the garbage can, has all kinds of stuff in there. So you can copy what you're doing, you can do all kinds of stuff in here. Align to the page, there's all kinds of stuff. So if you find that lock box, that's where you're going to unlock it. There you go. Oh, here's let's work together.
This is where I'd put my link, right?
So your link to your email. So show them how to do that. Go ahead and grab your email.
I'll go grab it. Man, you're making me work today.
He's doing great.
Oh, this is to my calendar. Oops.
That's okay. Let's do calendar first then.
Okay. Yeah, that's usually what I do is have them send me there. Let's see here.
Yeah, just put some, let's work together, put your calendar right there.
Right, ungroup it first.
Um, I would just go ahead and start typing where it says hello. Start typing in,
There it is.
yeah, there it is. Right. Yeah, and then you're just gonna say, connect with me here, possibly. And then where it says email, put let's chat or something like that. Perfect. And if you didn't want to put your address and phone number and all that stuff here, I would just take that out. There's no reason to do that. And then you can just move the let's chat all the way over to the middle and maybe find a picture behind where it says let's work together.
I'll change those, of course.
So go ahead and show them if you double click on the picture, double click on it really fast. Okay, you can move it now a little bit, or oh, I won't let you move it. Okay, that's fine. And then click done. Okay, so let's scroll up and see what the whole website looks like. And I know you're going to change a couple of things, right? Because you don't want some random pictures of random people in there.
Right.
And you're going to change the testimonials, but she's got her click here. She's got her hot button. What were you going to put in here?
I think I was going to delete this one.
Okay, so just go over to the left-hand side and just hit the garbage can. So let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages, 7. Let's work together. All right. So let's go up and
Your
let's go
page
ahead
numbers
and
have changed. The page
yeah,
numbers
let's
have
go ahead.
changed.
Right. Let's go ahead and take out the page numbers. Easily done. Okay. So go up to where it says publish website. And see where it says without navigation. You're going to click on that down arrow. And you're going to put with navigation. And free domain. And make sure that you click resize on mobile because you want this to look good on mobile as well. So click free domain and then click continue. Okay. You can edit your subdomain later. Just click continue. Oh, I guess you have to put something in there. So let's see. Just put, there you go. That might be taken. Yeah. It's probably going to be taken. You can put Sarah's Canva demo or something like that. Okay, and describe.
What do you put here?
Sarah's Canva demo. Hmm. Oh no, that's fine. Just put that about websites. Okay. And then describe. All right. And now hit publish.
This is cool.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Now,
But
if I have my own domain and put that in there,
you can do that
um,
too. Yeah. So
okay.
so let's do one more thing before you go to view website. Go ahead and click off of that for a second. I think I forgot this part. So what you can do is preview. Go to preview up on top next to publish website. And it should have all the navigation pages. Yes. So go ahead
Oh,
and, is that cool or what? So go
that
ahead
is
and click on
cool.
about, and it's going to take you to, well, instead of calling it about, we're calling it services, remember? So you're
Yeah.
going to have to change the words on there. And then portfolio, modeling, stats, and context. So these words are going to have to be changed.
Okay.
And do I remember where
Oh,
that is?
that's
I think that's
cool.
with the navigation pages. So go to, see where it says, where it has the, next to publish website, where it has the mobile version. Yeah, click on that. And now you can look and see what it looks like on mobile. So it's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, that is cool.
So you can take, now you can take that URL up in the top. Go ahead and, is that your published website? No, I think you're still in edit. So close that. And it says, if you continue editing this design, you will need to publish it again to update your website. So go ahead and publish the website again, just so we can check it.
Um,
Go up to publish.
Publish
Yeah.
again.
Yeah. Just to make sure that it's done. And continue. Oh, there it is. All right. Is that your, yeah. All right. So go ahead and open a new window. And type that into your URL or paste
No,
it
I
in.
didn't. Yeah, I gotta get it. Oh, where
Oh,
was it?
okay.
I didn't copy it.
Okay. Now what you can do is double click on that
On
URL, the URL.
this one,
Uh-huh.
this one up
So
here.
yeah, so it shows the whole entire, okay. And click on that and save it. And then what we can do is go into shorten URL or
Here,
bit.ly.
right here.
Or, no, just open a new tab. And go to bit.ly or tiny URL or something like that. And click on that. And this is free as well. It's just an app. I love this one. So you enter your link in there. Go ahead
I
and
don't know if
paste it right.
I don't know if I got it. Where was it? There it is.
And paste it right there. And then, and see where it says enter alias? Go ahead and put Sarah's demo website or something like that. And shorten. And now you copy that, and now you have a little shorter URL that actually says something, and you can share that anywhere you want. Now, it's been not quite an hour. So can you guys see how easy this would be to make? You could make your little mini websites all over the place for even different products that you promote or different um like tell me some of the businesses that you're into. Let's face it, all of us are into network marketing. We're into several different types of businesses. So let me know.
I've got 8 different ones.
There you go. So Bonnie, you could make a little mini
8
website like this for
8
any
different
different
little
ones.
websites. Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. That's very cool.
It's talking directly about them. Say, for instance, Nexus, because I'm going to do one on Nexus. So, say, for instance, Nexus, then you could plug in those little videos that they gave us, right? To, for testimonials and whatnot. On that testimonial page, you can actually embed. In fact, Sarah, let's go back to your website. I want to show them how to embed a video. Do you have any type of video like on YouTube or something? We can show them how to do that. Here, I have one. Let's see if I can.
Sarah, you're muted.
I just saw it. Thank you. I said I'm with Nexus too, Cindy, so
Okay.
we're gonna have to talk even more.
Yes, I know. And I just did a couple little videos too on how to start your Nexus account because it's a little confusing at first, don't you think?
It is, and I was even
Yeah.
thinking, I don't know, kind of. Well, we'll talk later. I have
Okay.
an idea.
So yeah, see where the puppies are right there? Let's go ahead and embed a video in there. So go to YouTube. And you can just type in my YouTube if you want. We'll just grab something from there. It doesn't have to be YouTube, it could be any video. You just need the link for it. Okay, so you just click on any one of those videos. And then grab the link. And this is how you grab the link. You just scroll down where it says share.
Oh, share.
Uh-huh. And then you're going to copy that link. Okay, let's go back to Canva. And you're going to scroll down to where it says apps. And then scroll down. It's going to say videos, I believe. And nope, that's wrong. So we need to embed the video. So go back to apps. Yeah. Wait. See where it says
I might not have
popular.
it here.
See where it says popular. Oh, I'm echoing. Click on the arrow after mockups, QR code, Google Drive. Dolly animated. Why am I not finding it? Scroll down. AI powered. Oh,
We need to search for it because I may not have been in it yet.
okay. Yeah. Embed.
What's it called? Embed?
Mm-hmm. There we
That
go.
one?
Yeah. All right.
Open.
So open and then paste that link right up there. And add to design. And voila, there it is. And go ahead and put it in there and see, they can just click right on that and it'll take them right to the video. And how cool is that?
That is cool.
Yeah. The other thing that you can
So
do, the other thing that you can do is a QR code. So go to the apps again and go to QR code. And click on that. Now, yeah, you can just pick any QR code. They have different designs. But, and you can create colorful ones. But go ahead, it says open. You're going to enter, just go ahead and enter the same URL in there. And generate code. Before, see where it says customize over underneath that? Go ahead and click on customize. And you can click on the background color. You can change that to your font colors your brand colors if you want. So go ahead and click on update code and it'll change it. See that? Pretty cool, huh? So now you can just put that over there and say click here for, or what does it say? Scan code for more information or whatever. And if you take your phone right now while you guys are looking at this and you scan over that code, it should take you directly to my YouTube video. So if you want to try it out, you can do that. What do you think about that? Pretty cool.
got it.
How sweet is that?
Yeah, isn't
Yeah.
that cool? It's so fun. There's so many things that you can do. And look at this. This is free. It's free to publish. You can put your, if you build something in here and you're like, I love this. I mean, I can share this out to everybody. And you want to actually put your own domain in there, you can do that. You can either buy it from somewhere else or you can buy it directly from Canva. I bought one from Canva and it was super easy because when you have to transfer from another provider, there's a lot more to go through. So I just said, oh, I'm just going to do it through Canva. And I don't know, I think it was like 12 or 15 bucks for the year. It wasn't that big of a deal, but you don't have to. You can literally do what we just did here, publish your website, get a tiny URL and share that out to people.
Perfect.
So
Cindy, can you show us where to take off at the top where it says, uh, where it said,
Where I
like
had the wrong word.
services and
Yeah.
rates or
okay.
whatever?
So you mean for the navigation bar?
Yes, that's what it is.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's see. See if I can remember how to do this. Go up to the top, Sarah, where, oh, this is the other thing you want to do too. I forgot to tell you guys about this. See where it says modeling portfolio website in pastel paint? You're going to want to rename that before you publish it. I should have told you that before. Sorry. Otherwise, that's what it's going to come up when you share it. That's what it's going to say. You don't want it to say that. Okay. All right, so let's go to, let me see, let's go to preview first. Right there. And preview, and then click on, oh man, it's really glitching, huh? Click on, this is not it. We need to be in an editing area. So close that. Wait, I'm sorry. Go back to preview. Go back to up there where it says with navigation. Nope, that's not it either. All right, so close that. I'm sitting here with my mouse trying to click on
There was
everything.
there was a little edit, excuse me, edit button on the previous one. I'll go
Where
to the
did you
bottom left.
to the bottom left?
See that green?
Oh yes, there it is. I see.
I don't see it.
Go move your
All the
cursor
way over on
to
the
the
left on
left.
the bottom.
Huh.
Yeah,
I
you're
don't
almost
see
there.
it.
Underneath where it says your temperature on
I
your
don't see
computer.
it. Hold on, let me.
There's something in the
Yeah.
way. There you
Yeah, I
go.
don't see it.
Oh,
It was there.
you just clicked on it.
I
I
don't
did.
see it.
I clicked on it. No, it went away.
I don't see it.
Is there
So,
is there something in your way because everybody else sees it?
no.
No?
Keep going below the temperature.
That is weird because this is my screen.
Oh, you know what that is? I just did that. So we can do it on our end only. The
Oh,
and you can close it. I
Oh,
better.
yeah, somebody's drawing on it. I don't
Yep,
see it.
that was, yep, me. It just does that. I can erase it.
oh, okay. All right. Yeah, so close that right there. And let's see. See this?
Do you see it now? It's still down there. And when you hover over it, it says annotate.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is about. We need an editing area and go up to those three lines that are next to preview. It says insights. Nope, that's not it. It's in the navigation. It just was there like not that long ago. So go back to publish website and click on that. And let's see on this side.
Here's one, edit design. We've locked your design while you publish the website.
Okay, edit. Go to edit. Go to edit. Yeah. All right. Go back to publish. And oh, we've locked your design. Oh, shoot.
What
Hey,
is
you
that
guys.
navigation? What's that navigation there? That down,
Where did it say navigation?
right underneath, when you publish, hit the publish again.
Oops.
Hit yeah, publish website. And on the right-hand side, it's gonna come with navigation.
Yeah,
you-
so that's
What's
what
that?
that's what that navigation bar is. We just need to change the words on it.
Yeah,
We want it to have navigation.
I kind of wonder if you could double click on it when it's there on the navigation on top and change the words without, like, double click on about or whatever and change it to testimonials or whatever.
Still think you need to be in, well, editing area. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna Google it because this is driving me crazy. I just did this too. Have you ever done that? Like you did something and-
Usually there's a bar across here and you could edit it,
Exactly.
but it's not even there.
It's not there. Yeah, it's not there. It only comes up when you go to publish it, which is interesting. And I remember that. Alternative text? What is that? That's probably not it, but no. All right. Add page titles to your design. These will be options that will appear in your navigation menu. If you don't want a page to appear in your menu, leave it page title blank. Okay, but where do you automatically include automatically when you publish the website with navigation setting? Um,
I was just YouTubing it. And if you go
Okay.
to the navigation, so like if you're gonna split the pages across the top, you go down to the bottom right. There should be like where the pages are 1 through 6 down here. There should be that little icon. Let me double check.
At the top.
There you go. And now you can
Oh, nice.
there.
Nice.
Okay, so show that again. Where you found that.
So in here,
Hmm.
this is the main page. Go down here to the
Yes,
right
good
where it's
view.
the 4 squares. And then you get this view. And then I'm just
Perfect.
changing these.
Perfect. Now that wasn't very intuitive.
But we learned something.
We did, and
Mhm.
thank you so much. Who was the one that YouTubed that?
Randy Joe.
Ah, thank you so much, Randy Joe.
You're welcome.
Okay.
And how do we change the title so it doesn't say model or, you know, on the
So
website?
I just typed right here.
No, but at the top where it said your website,
Oh,
how do we do
I
that?
just, you just type
Okay,
it.
just start typing it in.
No, at your URL. Maybe I'm missing something.
So, when you go to publish it, you mean to change the URL?
Yeah,
So what you want to do, go ahead and can you publish this again?
Yeah, I unpublished it, so I need to.
Yeah.
So
So go ahead and
just
publish.
go, continue. Oh, I need to do this again. No,
I don't think so.
it's right there. So publish.
I don't remember doing the navigation this way. There must be another way because that is not what I remember. So I'm gonna
Well, most of them already have it on there, and I think you change it before, where this one
Mhm.
didn't. It didn't have
Right.
that bar at the top.
Right.
Yep, changed it.
All right.
Cool.
So now, are you talking about this URL up here? Who is asking about that?
It's me, Karen.
Karen, so what we did was when she first published it, grab that URL and then put it in tiny URL to
Yeah,
make it smaller. And then you kind of can uh customize it a little bit.
okay.
And there's bit.ly, there's tiny URL. I think there's another one too.
Okay.
But those are easy because they're free. You don't have to pay for them.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Is this cool or what?
Yeah.
Now, show it on mobile again. Because most people are going to look at your stuff on mobile, right?
Oops. Where'd it go? There it is.
Yeah, so Karen, you see how big this URL was?
Yeah,
Then she grabbed that and put it over in tiny URL and then renamed it.
nice.
Check that out. Oh, look at, and it's all moving and oh, it looks so cool.
So now, is there a way, I noticed this, it's not a big deal, but to edit that, you'd have to edit the whole thing, or can you like, like in Go High Level, you can have desktop view versus mobile view. In this, can you only have one view? So like, I wouldn't resize these or anything.
So that's what I do a lot of times before I publish is just look at it on mobile because you might have to, if you want a
Okay.
digital marketing manager and automation specialist to be more centered, I would
Okay.
go ahead and not a lot of people are going to look at your site on desktop.
Right.
So I would make it more optimal for mobile.
Okay. And just
Although you
in
do
the
want it,
main one.
yeah.
Okay.
So when you go to preview it, make sure you preview it on mobile so that you can see if you need to adjust something. And then you can just keep hitting preview until you're happy with it. So what did you guys think?
Oh, it's
This is
awesome.
cool. Yeah, this was very cool.
Thank you.
And so easy. I mean, we literally, if you had all your links ready and, an idea of what colors and stuff you wanted, you could do this in an hour because we did this in an hour.
And I love that you can do the YouTube too and not have to just have the link in there and you have the picture that goes on top of it, how it's
Yeah.
embedded. That is so
Like the
cool.
thumbnail. Mhm.
Yes, that's the word I wanted. Yes.
So a question about that. So if you were in like, I don't know, say an MLM and they were promoting a product, you could take that link and put it in there?
Yep.
Okay.
Any link. So you can do it as a link or an embed. See, the embed right here shows the thumbnail from my YouTube channel,
Great.
which is cool because then you just click right on there. But a link, if you just had something that linked to maybe a video that didn't have a thumbnail on it, so it wasn't as attractive or whatever, you could just link to a video as well. Say like something like watch here with the button. There you go. All
And if
right.
I wanted to real quick, sorry, if I was going to publish this and I wanted to use, let's unpublish it real quick. My domain that I have,
It's
I would just do publish,
publish website. Mm-hmm.
and then I would go to use my existing
Mhm.
domain.
Yep. Publish to an existing domain. And then it'll walk you through connect up to 5 domains if you've bought them from another company.
Okay, so that would be my main domain, and then it's probably going to ask me what I want it to be called, like the subdomain, right? Okay,
So it'll walk you through it.
okay. Cool.
I know, you guys.
This is
So
cool.
fun. It's so fun and free. Think about this. You could literally, if you didn't have a paid account to Canva, you could do this for free. It's going to take you a little bit longer because you're going to have to input all the colors and whatnot and just have your, your color X codes ready. So I wanted to show you guys something too. I don't know. I'm gonna, well, do this, Sarah. Go into Canva again. And just open
Oops, sorry.
thought.
What did it do? There it goes.
Okay. So yeah, just open, let's see, open Canva and go to create design over on the right hand side. And yeah, right there. And just pick like Facebook post or something, anything. And just grab something, doesn't matter.
Customize it.
Uh-huh. Customize. So it's going to take you over to the design area. And all right. So say for instance, you really liked this color orange. Okay. Go ahead and click over there on orange, and you see how it comes up in that little box right there? Click on that because I want to show you. And you're like, oh, okay, well, I need to know the hex code for this color because I want to use it again. So go ahead and click on it. And right down there, it's going to give you the hex code. That's what you need. Now, say for instance, you don't know what the color that brown is. Click on that eyedropper and click in again. No, click on, yeah. And then see how it comes up with this little circle thing? You can actually drop it into that brown area and it's going to come up. You see where it comes up? It's going to come up and show you what that hex code is for that color. So anything that you want to import, like say if you looked up your brand colors in Pinterest and it didn't have any hex codes, because you need the hex codes if you're going to use these colors over and over again. And that's what a hex code is. It has a hashtag and then it has some letters and numbers. Every color has one of these. So what's wonderful about Canva is you can literally bring anything from anywhere, even a picture that, say, go to your uploads, Sarah. And say she has a picture in here that just grab that right there, the green shirts. Okay, so she's like, oh, I really want to use these green shirts for something. So she's going to click on that, go over to the rainbow where it has the plus sign, and under document colors, click on that. And then that eyedropper is going to come up. So you're going to click on the eyedropper and drag that over to the green. Now you've
That's
got
cool.
your hex code.
Oh, cool.
So any color of any picture that you want or anything that you want that you see, you can get a hex code for in Canva. It's so cool. There you go. Anyway, well, I guess we've kind of kept you guys a little over time. I was planning, it's only quarter after, so we literally built a website in an hour. Pretty cool. Thank you so much, Sarah. I'm so
Thank
excited.
you. That was fun.
What do you guys think though? Do you think that you could do this on your own uh or maybe watch the video again? Because at least if you watch the video again, you can kind of scroll through because you know where we were at different areas and at least
Yeah.
we recorded everything. So I'll make sure that you guys get a copy of that too as well. I'm pretty sure that Zoom will automatically send it out. However, If it doesn't, please let me know. And I'll just get it to you guys. For sure. So what do you think, Karen?
I think it's pretty awesome. And actually, I don't know if you can stay on after the call. I have some questions for you about what you offer and stuff like that. So,
Sure. Absolutely. Oh my gosh. So that was so fun, you guys. I'm so glad
Thanks,
you get.
Cindy.
I'm
That
so
was
glad.
amazing.
yeah,
I
that was
know, that was
awesome.
awesome. And thank you, Sarah. That was great. I mean, it
Yeah,
was perfect.
I will do something and send it to you. So I'll show you what I end up doing because I need
All
something
right.
like this pretty soon.
Yeah, and just think if you guys are in multiple different companies, you could just make one of these for each one of them. And when you're talking to a different person or a different, you know, you're gonna think, oh, they would be really great in this company or whatever. You can send them to that specific website, talks about your product, has all your links in there, has your affiliate link to sign up, videos, testimonials, anything that you want in there. You can add animation, you can make it fun, or if you want it real serious, you can make it real serious too.
And then you could do that like on Linktree, you could put all those category, right?
Yes.
I was just thinking
And
all,
then your link tree, you know what would be great is your link tree could literally house each website. That would be
yeah.
awesome. And
Cool.
in Linktree, you know that you can take little pictures and put in your Linktree before it has your I'll show you. Let me just show you real quick. This is fun. Are you guys seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, see these little pictures right here. So I have my little icons and my little pictures, so you can do that right in Linktree, which is fun. I play with this all the time and update it and put different things in there, but
Well, thank you so much, Cindy. I appreciate it.
all right. Yes. Thank you
Thank
guys. All
you.
right, we can stop recording. Thank you so much.